Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I look totally different today. I gave myself a little makeover, a little spruce me up, just because I've been feeling a little bit down. So I thought, why not give myself a little, a little makeover or whatever. I think my hair turned out really good. As you can see, I went red and I think it looks fire. Like oh, I toot my own horn, but it's looking really good. So yeah, if you want to see how I achieved this red hot hair, then please keep watching. So I'm starting off on freshly washed hair. If you want to see how I washed my hair and what products I used, then you can check out my previous video. But yeah, I'm just re-wetting my hair right now, making sure it's damp so I can apply the product. Also, I did use the Curlsmith reactivator to make sure my hair was moisturized enough for the next product. Now I'm sectioning my hair into about 4 sections, which pretty much helps me evenly apply the products. And now I'm taking the Curlsmith hair makeup in the color Ruby, and I'm gonna apply this pretty much all through my hair, which is a very repetitive process. So I'm gonna do one side on camera and the other off camera. Okay, you guys, so I wanted to hop on here real quick before I diffuse my hair and just show y'all kind of what I'm working with. Let's talk about the Curlsmith color recipe in the shade Ruby. This is their hair makeup. Okay, so I am highly impressed. I didn't think that I would get this much color just from this hair makeup. I'm actually pretty shook. It is messy, as you guys can see. I have it all over my hands, and this is just, I actually wiped my hands off with a towel, so you can only imagine how much more messier it was. But I'm really excited to see this process. And just a quick fact, I did mix in a little bit of the Diva Curl Believe In, just because I didn't feel like I was getting that much definition from just the hair makeup. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. It didn't say to mix it with anything, but at the end I did kind of scrunch in some of that Believe In. So hopefully that doesn't impact it any. I have the red stuff kind of like all over my face, but whatever. I want to air dry a little bit before I diffuse my hair. That's just the normal process I would go through. I try not to switch up my routines when I'm trying out something new. So yeah, I'm gonna air dry and then I'll be right back to diffuse on camera a little bit for you guys.